Do you love vintage clocks? So do we. Do you get sentimental about lost causes? So do we. Do you appreciate remarkable feats of engineering and industrial design? And more, do you believe that mechanical marvels should never be just cast aside? When possible, they should be given a second chance? So do we. We are Uncle Lem's Clock Shop. And if you answered yes to those questions, you'll want to hit that subscribe button right now. Because this is a YouTube channel you're going to love. While we prepare the next restoration video, enjoy a few samples of Uncle Lem's previous projects.